I also parked here. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of toy vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. So now I will hand drive one by one with my hand. At first is a RAB Super Bus. Let's go. So friends, at first I parked here this RAB Super Bus. This is a very nice and six-wheeler red, black and white color combination. This six-wheeler RAB Super Bus. Next one is here a mini captain jeep. I parked here this mini captain jeep beside this super bus. This is a realistic model four-wheeler mini captain jeep. This is green, black and silver color combination. This army jeep. And now I will drive this police bike. I parked here this police bike beside this mini captain jeep. This police bike is red, white and blue color combination. Is very nice and beautiful. This one is a cartoony drum truck. I parked here this cartoony drum truck beside this police bike. See this drum truck, this is pink, paste and purple color combination. And now I will drive this Fuder. I also parked here this Fuder beside this drum truck. This is a realistic model plastic Fuder. You can see this is red, black and silver color combination. There is the last one is a Sakib cover van, so I will try this one also. I also parked here this Sakib cover van beside this Fuder. This is a realistic model cover van. Here is yellow, blue, black and red color combination. This nice cover van. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially parked here. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.